Today I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcode in Elementor. This is a really useful skill if you want to embed custom functionality like contact forms, sliders, or special content blocks into your pages without any coding knowledge. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your website's WordPress admin dashboard and log in with your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to edit pages, as this will be essential for the steps ahead. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main WordPress dashboard with all your site management options. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages and then click on All Pages. This will display a complete list of all the pages currently published or drafted on your website. Here you can manage, edit, or create new pages as needed. Now locate the specific page where you want to add the shortcode and click Edit with Elementor. This action opens the Elementor Page Builder interface, which is a visual editor that makes designing and customizing pages intuitive and straightforward. The Elementor editor will load, showing you a live preview of your page on the right and a toolkit panel on the left. In the Elementor editor, focus on the left panel where all the widgets and tools are located. Use the search bar at the top of this panel and type shortcode. This will filter the available widgets and bring up the shortcode widget, which is specifically designed to let you insert shortcodes into your page layout. Once you've found the shortcode widget, simply drag and drop it to the desired location on your page. You can place it anywhere within your existing sections or columns, and Elementor will show you a blue highlight indicating where the widget will be positioned. This flexibility allows you to seamlessly integrate shortcodes into your design. After dropping the shortcode widget onto your page, click inside it on the left panel. You'll see a field where you can paste your shortcode. The shortcode usually looks something like shortcode_name and is provided by the plugin or custom function you're using. Simply paste it into this field, and Elementor will automatically render the content or functionality associated with that shortcode on your page. And that's it. You've successfully added a shortcode to your Elementor page, allowing you to extend your site's functionality with ease. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.